Now we've come to enter our accommodation options. So let's start. Yes, I would like to enter more. And here you have a drop down again. Please choose the different selections that you have, one after the other. Let's start with host family. It's important that you put the internal school name in here. Basically, what do you call that option on your own price list, because that's different for every school. This again would be fixed, and we would need to tell the system which seasons that product or that accommodation is available in. Minimum age, let's say 15, and the duration. So this is important, nights included. You will find all of the options in here. Let's say it's possible Sunday to Sunday and Sunday to Saturday. Any additional information you would need to add in here. And again, the price structure. Most of you, I'd say 99% of the schools will have the total price per week. You can also give a total price per night, or again down here, if your accommodation gets cheaper the longer you stay, then you would choose one of the other options. In here, let's say you have 6 nights in the first week, and please only click this if no further additional nights are possible to be booked. So you will have the overview in here, and you will have an overview over all of the accommodation that you have entered in here. Please click on yes and enter all of the accommodation options that you have. Again, once you have entered everything, click on no in the end, and we will go from here.